Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to remove Assistive Touch on your iPhone. Now Assistive Touch is this little icon here. When you click it, you get all these different notifications and you can move it around your screen like this. Now if you want to remove this, it'll be the same process whether you're using an iPhone or an iPad. So let's get on with removing it. So you want to come up to the main settings tab here, whether that's on your iPhone or your iPad. You want to tap into the settings, and within the settings we want accessibility. Now if your Mac OS or the iOS software is not up to date, this may be within the general settings, and then you'll select accessibility from there. However, ours is on the main settings, so we'll select accessibility, and you want to scroll down until you see physical and motor section. And within physical and motor, you'll see touch at the top here, and you want to tap into that. And at the top of touch, you'll see assistive touch here at the top, so you want to tap into this, and you'll see it's on. And now right at the top here, assistive touch, you want to tap this green one to off, so it's greyed out. And as you can see, the accessibility touch has now been removed. Hope that helps you out, and if it did, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and thanks for watching.